Hey everyone! Glowing Star, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting leaks and details about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung is once again pushing the envelope of design and technology, and the Z Fold 7 promises to transform the foldable smartphone experience. Let's explore what makes this next-gen device so groundbreaking. Innovative design. Leading in the foldable smartphone industry, Samsung regularly innovates with its Galaxy Z Fold series. After the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5, the upcoming Z Fold 7 is set to be the next great leap in foldable devices. With modern technologies, improved performance, and creative design changes, the Z Fold 7 is sure to impress. Based on insider information, it appears that Samsung will maintain a design very similar to its predecessors but with some small form factor modifications. While the S series moves to a more rounded form, the Z Fold series will keep its distinctive squared-off shape. Enhanced performance. The Z Fold 7 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, boasting 16 GB of RAM and ample storage options. The biggest upgrade? The cameras. For the first time, we'll see under-display cameras on both the cover and the folding internal display. These improvements make the cameras excellent for face unlocking, video calls, and high-resolution selfies. The rear camera setup will mirror the S25 Plus, featuring a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 10MP telephoto lens, with enhancements to both the ultrawide and telephoto cameras. Display upgrades. Samsung is known for its stunning displays, and the Z Fold 7 is no exception. Both the cover and internal displays will be brighter and more accurate, with a new display protector and tweaked hinge aimed at eradicating the notorious crease in the middle. If Samsung pulls this off, the Z Fold 7 could set a new standard for foldable displays. Durability and usability. One of the primary concerns with foldable phones has been their longevity. Samsung continues to enhance the robustness of the Z Fold series, and the Z Fold 7 is likely to follow suit. Expect better protection against dust, water, and accidental drops, with IPX8 water resistance being a strong possibility. The hinge mechanism will be more polished, offering better folding and unfolding, along with greater long-term durability. The adoption of more robust materials, such as harder glass or display film, will make the Z Fold 7 less prone to scratches and other damage. S Pen support? Good news for S Pen fans. The Z Fold 7 will support the S Pen for both displays, although it won't be housed inside the device and will be sold separately. This added functionality makes it even more versatile for creative and professional use. Final thoughts and pricing? Shipping in July 2025, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to start from roughly $1,900, about £1,800 in the UK. While it might not push current Z Fold 6 users to upgrade, it's shaping up to be a perfect choice for anyone with an older model or looking to get their first foldable phone. With its unique folding display, top-of-the-line performance, and multitasking capabilities, the Z Fold 7 represents the cutting edge of mobile technology.